Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to a brand new video. I hope you're all well and you're having a good day. In today's video, I'm sharing with you my favorite cleaning products. These are products that I've actually switched up since my last favorite cleaning product video, only purely because of COVID-19. You know, I've discovered some new products and I've ditched some of the other ones. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you each item and give an explanation of how I use them around the house, and hopefully you can get some motivation from that. Maybe you're using a product that you're not happy with and you might want to try something new that I'm showing here. I'm actually saying my favorite cleaning products, but I'm excited to say that this video is in collaboration with YouTubers right here on this platform. They're also going to show you their favorite cleaning products. We all love cleaning and we love products as well. Okay, so I'm going to jump in and show you my first favorite cleaning product. Okay, so my first favorite cleaning product has to be this, which is the Astonish Zesty Lemon Kitchen Cleaner. This is absolutely amazing, guys. This cuts through grease and grime like no other product, you know. This is my go-to. I have actually got a video in my archive of me receiving a whole box of this from Amazon. You know, I placed an order on Amazon when we was in the first lockdown. I wasn't able to get this product. I placed an order for 12 because that was the minimum order, and I've actually got some footage of that, of me opening the box and getting so excited about it because this really is my favorite cleaning product of all time. So going back, this is the Astonish Kitchen Cleaner Zesty Lemon. All the Astonish products are vegan friendly and cruelty free, so that's why I absolutely love them so much, and they're so cost effective as well. I mean, this is a 750ml bottle. I'll normally get this for £1 in Savers or B&M, but I haven't actually seen it in there since the first lockdown. I haven't actually seen them in there. I'm so glad I've got my extra stock from Amazon for this product. Absolutely amazing. Now, you might be able to find it in Poundland. Sometimes Poundland do have it as well. That's my first item. Okay, my next item, number 2, is the Valcau Lime Scale Cleaner. Now, this lime scale has got the extra Febreze in it. So it's got the fresh Febreze in it. So it doesn't give off that chemical kind of smell. It gives off like a fresh Febreze kind of floral smell, which I absolutely love. Now, I forgot to tell you what I use the Astonish for, but I'll go back to that. Okay, so this product breaks down lime scale like no other product. So I will spray this onto my shower head. I'll spray it around the shower where the lime scale builds up. I also use this on my shower screen. So I'm no longer using any shower screen cleaners. To be fair, I've actually got a little bit left of the Astonish one in the shower room there. But once that finishes, I'm just going to stick with this one product because this does everything, you know. I spray this onto the shower screen just as I'm finished showering. I know, I like to clean my shower while I'm in the shower. You know, that's the best time to do it, to be fair with you. So once I've finished showering, I'll just spray this all over the screen, spray it around the side, and I'll leave it on there for about, I don't know, I'll leave it on there until I've come out the shower and dried myself. And I'll go back in and I'll just rinse off the shower screen. And the shower screen, the shower hose, the shower head is spangling shiny with this product here. I use it on the taps in the kitchen and the taps in the bathrooms as well. So this is a great product. This one I actually purchased from Cherries, but you can actually find this in all the supermarkets and all the budget stores as well. I think you can pick it up for like £1.50 or £2, but it's absolutely worth buying because you can use it for multiple uses. So just going back to the Astonish, I use the Astonish cleaner in the kitchen. I use it on all the work surfaces. I use it on the oven hob. I use it in the oven. I use it around the kitchen sink. You know, it's absolutely amazing product. Okay, so number 3, my third favorite cleaning product has to be the Astonish MultiSurface Cleaner in the French Lavender. Now, I absolutely love this product, and to be fair, because I love it so much, I don't really use it as much, if you get what I mean. It's a bit like your favorite perfume, you know. You have your favorite expensive perfume and you don't want to use it every day, but you just want to use it on certain occasions, you know. So this one I would use mainly in the bedroom, you know, on the bedside tables and the dressing table. I just absolutely love this product. So this is the Method. I said Astonish. So this is the Method MultiSurface Cleaner, the French Lavender one. I normally get this when it's on offer in Tesco, and I know I've got another one of these in my understairs cupboard, hidden away somewhere. Okay, so number 4 of my favorite cleaning products has to be the Sieve Cream with microfiber. The Sieve Cream with micro crystals. Absolutely amazing product. This cuts through grime and tough dirt and gives 100% of shine as well. So I use this in the bathroom. It's brilliant for cleaning the bath and the shower tray. And also the sinks. It's just absolutely amazing product. This definitely had to meet my favourites on the list. Okay, so number 4 on my favourites has to be Century Room Fragrance or Air Freshener from Aldi. I absolutely love this. This is the Citrus Breeze one. It's a room mist. And this one is infused with lemon, oranges, lime. It's absolutely amazing smell, and I must say this just smells absolutely gorgeous. So when you spray it, and one spray on the trigger can do like one whole room. I normally would spray it in the hallway and then it just lingers through the whole house, you know. So that's number 4 on my list. Okay, so number 5 on my list has to be these Lenor tumble drying sheets. And we don't have a tumble dryer, but I use this as one of my cleaning hacks. And what I use this for, get like 4 pieces, whoops. It smells absolutely gorgeous. As you tear it, the smell just comes through. So I'll just tear it into like little pieces like that. Then I'll just put this into my drawer. I'll put them into like, I've got like an ottoman where I keep all my bedding. I'll put one of these in there as well. It keeps everything smelling nice and fresh. And what I did actually, when we put the Christmas tree down and I stored it into the bag and the box, I did actually put a whole sheet of this into the Christmas tree bag. So, you know, the Christmas tree is going to be smelling nice and fresh when we next take it out. But this is absolutely amazing for that purpose. You know, you can just put them into your drawer. I normally pick these up in Poundland, or I pick them up in B&M. So my favourite cleaning product number 7, I've actually put these into 2 because they're both very lovely. Now this is the 1001 Carpet Fresheners. Now I normally get this Spring Blossom and Mandarin one, but this was a limited edition one. Not all the stores have this at the moment, but I also love the Fresh Linen with White Flowers one, which is this one here. These both up in Aldi, but I know a lot of the budget stores do them, like B&M and Home Bargains and also Savers. But I just absolutely love these. So with these now, what you do is after you vacuum, you just spray them onto the carpet and it keeps the carpet smelling nice and fresh. Next item number 8 has to be the Pledge Clean It Multi-Surface Cleaner. It's got like a jasmine scent to it. I use it on the surface. I've got my bedside tables here. After I've used some of this, I might spray some of this on. But I use this all around the house on the surfaces. So in the living room, on our TV stand, you know, on my dressing table and so on. And this one I normally pick up in Tesco or Sainsbury's, but I know again you can find it in all the budget stores as well. B&M, Home Bargains, Savers, you know, even Poundland. I think I've even I can get through my favourites without mentioning Sephlora. This one is the Sparkling Spruce scent and it smells absolutely gorgeous. Now, the only way I can describe the scent of this is that it's got like a kind of pine scent, but it's also got like an aftershavey kind of smell behind it, which I absolutely love. You can use it neat or you can dilute it. I'll put this into my spray mop or a couple of cupfuls down the sink hole on the evening. You know, absolutely amazing product. Sephlora. This has been going for years and years and years. You know, I'm not showing my age or anything, but my mum used to use this when I was so high, you know. Sephlora definitely had to make this list, you know, of my favorites. So there's a few other products I'm going to show you now, and these are some products that I've actually discovered through lockdown, you know, switching from my regular labels when I wasn't able to get them. So Aldi have their own range of cleaning products which they've called Powerfuls. So this is their antibacterial surface cleaner. It does the exact same thing as what your Dettol surface cleaner would do, but for less of the cost as well. So this kills 99.99% of germs. So nearly 100%, but it's 99.99. Now most of the products will say kills 99.9%, but this is 99.99% of germs it kills, okay? It cuts through grease and grime, and of course it kills germs and viruses. So perfect for, you know, for what we're going for at the minute. Plus it's at less of the cost as what you'll pay for your Dettol bacterial surface cleaner. Definitely this has to be one of my favorite products, and continue to buy this from Aldi. So my next item, I'm not sure what number I'm at. I think it's number 11, but it has to be Fabulosa. Fabulosa has come out onto the market massively. I remember when they first came out, they just had the dupes of the Sephlora. Now they've got disinfectant cleaners, disinfectant sprays, laundry cleaners. And I must say I'm quite impressed by Fabulosa, because they've brought out this, and this has actually saved me quite a bit of money. I used to purchase the Dettol all-in-one disinfectant spray, and now Fabulous have brought this out. I'm kind of sticking to this. This is their disinfectant all-in-one spray, so you can spray this on the handle of your toilets or your toilet flush. You can basically spray this onto any surface. Now, like I said, I used to buy the Dettol one. It used to cost me like £4 or £3. It's actually £1 in all your budget stores, Poundland, B&M, Home Bargains, Savers, and I've also seen this in Aldi. It does the same job as the Dettol one. It kills 99.9% of bacteria, like all the other disinfectant products do. The best bit, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Now, this one is the Fresh Breeze one. It smells very similar. Oh god, it smells so nice. It smells very similar to Febreze Cotton Fresh, but with a more kind of fresh breeze kind of smell behind it. Okay, so my last item on this favourite list is these antibacterial multi-surface wipes. These ones are from Aldi. You get 80 large wipes in there, and they smell absolutely gorgeous. I like these because I just take them out very quickly and give the surfaces a wipe. You know, if I'm doing like a quick clean, I will use these. You probably would have seen me using this in my speed clean of my office. I just use these to wipe down the surfaces very quickly, and I was good to go. So absolutely love these, and I think these are something like ridiculous, like 45p or something like that in Aldi, you know, for 80 sheets. So again, you can't go wrong. So I got these, and this is my last item on my favorites list. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments below which was your favorite item, or whether you're using any of these items yourself already and how you're getting on with them. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Also, don't forget to check out the others videos. I know they're going to have some amazing products to show you as well. I'd like to say thank you to all the others for collaborating with me on this video. Thank you to the lovely Stacey Lesley who have put this group together and has also invited me on this collaboration. It's been absolutely amazing. So please make sure you pop over, guys, after you've watched my video to the end. Please look in the description box. It's going to be a playlist of all the other YouTubers who have joined into this group, who are going to show you their favourite cleaning products as well. I'm sure they'll love to have you over there. Give them a big thumbs up, a big like, and subscribe to their channels as well. You'll be helping them out immensely. But for now, take care, keep well, stay safe, and I shall see you on my next video. Bye!